Meaning of dust cart.
Dust cart.
Dust cart.
Dust cart.
Dust cart. A dust cart is a type of heavy-duty vehicle used for collecting and transporting domestic waste, usually in urban areas. It is equipped with a large bin or container mounted on the back, which is lifted hydraulically and emptied into the truck's main body. The collected waste is then taken to a disposal site such as a landfill or recycling center. Dust carts are an essential part of waste management infrastructure, ensuring that residential areas remain clean and hygienic while also promoting sustainability through responsible waste disposal practices.